Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. As we now know, there was a court hearing yesterday for Leilani Simon's other two children, and that Leilani Simon did in fact appear at this court hearing. So we're going to go over this new article that was just put out. It's been almost 2 weeks since 20-month-old Quinton Simon disappeared from his Chatham County home. Since then, police have said they believe Quinton to be dead, though they have not recovered his body. Police say Quinton Simon's mother, Leilani Simon, is the only suspect in Quinton's disappearance and presumed death. Monday, she was in Chatham County Juvenile Court for a preliminary hearing about the custody of Quinton's two siblings. It was the first public appearance of Leilani since Quinton went missing. She arrived wearing a mask and a dress and was sitting just feet away from her mother, Billy Howell, though their lawyers were sitting between them. Billy had custody of Quinton before he disappeared and still has custody of Leilani's oldest child, who is around 3 years old. Leilani and Billy both left the courthouse as quickly as they could after the hearing. There was a large law enforcement presence inside and outside of the courthouse. Fathers of Leilani's other children were at the hearing over video chat, as well as other family members. The grandfather of one of Leilani Simon's other children drove 4 hours to be at Monday's custody hearing. He said it was important to be there to support his grandchild. He also said the safety of his grandchild moving forward is at the top of his mind, as his grandchild's mother is the only suspect in the death of one of her children. Judge Thomas Cole presided over the hearings. When court was called to session, WTOC asked to have a camera in the courtroom, but Judge Cole denied the request and also sealed the hearing from the public. Cole says he made that decision to protect the privacy and safety of the children involved, though he does understand the public interest in the case. After he made that decision, WTOC had to leave the courtroom. The people that stayed in the courtroom are also under a gag order and not allowed to discuss what happened. Again, Monday's hearing was over the custody of Leilani's other two children, who are around 6 months and 3 years old. We do know that legally these hearings have to take place within 3 days of a child being removed from a home under emergency order or DFCS requesting to remove a child. WTOC has asked for any records pertaining to Monday's court hearing, but weren't given them because the hearing was sealed. Just to be clear, this was not a criminal hearing and Leilani has not been charged with anything. WTOC did ask the Chatham County Police Department for any updates in the search for Quinton Simon, and the department responded that they didn't have any new information to provide. As always, I will link the article in the description of this video if you want to go check it out for yourself. I know a lot of people were wondering who was going to show up to this court hearing, and from the looks of it, it sounds like every family member showed up. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe.